Hi friends, I am Magic Sir of Mathematics with Magic Methods. I will take you on a journey to the exciting world of trigonometry, calculus and geometry. This is our magic board. We will use PowerPoint animations to learn mathematics. Look at the speech bubble. We will use it to discuss some important formulas, hints and tricks. Look at the thought bubble. We will use it to make some verbal calculations in your mind. It is our brain. In my previous video, we have obtained the values of trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degree. Today, we will find the values of the ratios of angle 30 degree. We will use the same figure and same method to obtain the values of the ratios for 60 degree. At first, we will find the values of the trigonometric ratios for the angle of 30 degree. So let us start with angle of 30 degree. Look at the figure. Triangle PQR. Let us take an equilateral triangle PQR. So the three sides of the triangle and three angles of the triangles are equal. So PQ equal to QR is equal to PR, and angle P is equal to angle Q equal to angle R equal to 60 degree. All angles are same of 60 degree. Let PM be the perpendicular from P to the side QR. This is QR. So we draw perpendicular from P to QR. PM is perpendicular to QR. Now we have two triangles. First, triangle PMQ and triangle PMR both are right angle at angle M. In triangle PMQ and triangle PMR, angle PMQ is equal to angle PMR equal to 90 degree. Both are right angle. Now PQ equal to QR equal to PR. So we take PQ is equal to PR, sides of the equilateral triangle. PM is equal to PM, it is common side for both triangles. So triangle PMQ is congruent to triangle PMR by RHS. R for right angle, H for hypotenuse and S for common side. So we can write triangle PMQ is congruent to triangle PMR. Now look at the speech bubble. We know that corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. So QM is equal to MR. QM equal to MR. An angle QPM is equal to angle RPM is equal to 30 degree because angle P is equal to 60 degree. 60 upon 2 is equal to 30 degree. Let us take PQ equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to twice A, because all are same. So we put PQ equal to twice A and PR is equal to twice A in the figure, and also QR is equal to twice A, but we know that QM equal to MR. So QM equal to MR is equal to A. A plus A is equal to twice A. So we write QM equal to MR is equal to A. So QM equal to A, MR is equal to A. Now we separate these two triangles and compare with each other. Look at the animation. Both triangles coincide with each other. Angle P, angle R and Q, angle M are coincide. Same way, all the sides are coincide with each other. In right triangle PQM, PQ is the hypotenuse. We have taken the first triangle PMQ. PQ is the hypotenuse. In triangle PMQ, we have to find PM. Perpendicular, we have to find PM. Using Pythagoras theorem, PM square equal to PQ square minus QM square. But PQ is equal to twice A and QM is equal to A. So PQ square is equal to 2A whole square and QM square equal to A square. 2A whole square is equal to 4A square and 4A square minus A square is equal to 3A square. Therefore, PM square is equal to 3A square. Taking square root of both sides, we get PM is equal to root 3A. Square root of 3 is root 3 and square root of A square is A. So PM equal to root 3A. We put PM is equal to root 3A in the figure. Now in triangle PMQ, we have PQ is equal to twice A, MQ equal to A and PM is equal to root 3A. We will use these values of sides to obtain the values of ratios for angle 30 degree in triangle PMQ. Angle M equal to 90 degree, PM is equal to root 3A, PQ equal to twice A and MQ equal to A. By definition, we have sin P is equal to MQ upon PQ. Side opposite to angle P is MQ and MQ is equal to A. So we put MQ equal to A and PQ is equal to twice A. See in the figure, PQ is equal to twice A. So we have sin 30 degree is equal to a upon twice a. By simplifying, we get sine 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. But we know that cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sine 30. We know that sine 30 and cosec 30 are the reciprocal of each other. And the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. So we have sine 30 is equal to 1 upon 2 and cosec 30 is equal to 2. Now by definition, cos P is equal to Pm upon Pq. Pm side adjacent to angle P and PQ is hypotenuse. So we put P is equal to 30 degree. See the animation, P equal to 30 degree. We have Pm is equal to root 3a. So we put Pm equal to root 3a and hypotenuse PQ is equal to twice a. So we put PQ equal to twice a. So cos 30 equal to root 3a upon twice a. By simplifying, we get cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Again, we know that sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 and sec 30 are the reciprocal of each other. So the reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. So the reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Hence we have sec 30 is equal to 2 upon root 3. Now by definition, tan P is equal to mq upon pm. mq is the side opposite to angle P and pm is the side adjacent to angle P. We put P is equal to 30 degree. MQ is equal to A. So we put MQ equal to A. PM is equal to root 3A. Hence, tan 30 degree is equal to A upon root 3A. By simplifying, we get tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. We know that cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. That is, tan 30 and cot 30 are the reciprocal of each other. So, the reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3 upon 1 is equal to root 3. Hence we have cot 30 equal to root 3. Hence we have find the values of the trigonometric ratios for the angle 30 degree. Look at the table. We have sin 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. See the animation in the first row of the table. Sin 30 equal to 1 upon 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. See the animation in the row 2 of the table. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. See the animation in the row 3 of the table. Cosec 30 is equal to 2. See the animation in the fourth row of the table. Sometimes we write CSC instead of cosec. Sec 30 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. See the animation in the fifth row of the table. And last, cot 30 degree is equal to root 3. See the animation in the last row of the table. Please try to remember all these values for angle 30 degree. Friends, if you like my methods to teach mathematics, then like my videos. If you have any questions regarding trigonometry, please comment in the comment box given below. I will try my best to help you. Magic Sir will wait for your comments. Now we will find the values of the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. We have the same triangle PMQ. By definition, sin Q is equal to PM upon MQ. Remember, we have taken Q is equal to 60 degree because we have to find the values of 60 degree. We put Q is equal to 60 degree. So sin Q equal to sin 60. We take PM is equal to root 3a. We have PM equal to root 3a and PQ is equal to twice a. So we put PQ equal to twice a. Therefore sin 60 degree is equal to root 3a upon twice a. By simplifying, we get sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. But we know that cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sin 60. That is, sin 60 and cosec 60 are the reciprocal of each other. So the reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. So sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Now by definition cos q is equal to qm upon pq. Q is equal to 60 degree. QM is the side adjacent to angle Q and PQ is the hypotenuse. So we put Q equal to 60 degree. MQ is equal to A. See the animation. Side adjacent to angle Q, MQ is equal to A. And the hypotenuse PQ is equal to twice A. So we have cos 60 is equal to A upon twice A. By simplifying, we get cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2. We know that sec 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60. That is, cos 60 and sec 60 are the reciprocal of each other. The reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1, that is 2. So cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2, then sec 60 is equal to 2. Now by definition, tan Q is equal to Pm upon Qm. Pm is the side opposite to angle Q and Qm is the side adjacent to angle Q. So we put Q is equal to 60 degree and Pm is equal to root 3 MQ is equal to A. By simplifying, we get tan 60 is equal to root 3, that is tan 60 equal to root 3. We know that cot 60 is the reciprocal of tan 60. Tan 60 and cot 60 are the reciprocal of each other. So the reciprocal of root 3 is 1 upon root 3. Hence, tan 60 equal to root 3. Then cot 60 is equal to 1 upon root 3. Hence, we have find 6 trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. Look at the table. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. See the animation in the first row of the table. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2. See the animation in the second row of the table. Cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2. Tan 60 degree equal to root 3. See the animation in the third row of the table. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Cosec 60 is equal to 2 upon root 3. Sometimes we write CSC instead of cosec. So cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. Sec 60 degree is equal to 2. See the animation in the fifth row of the table. Sec 60 degree is equal to 2. And last, cot 60 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. See the animation in the last row of the table. Please try to remember all these values of 60 degree. Hi friends, we have obtained the values for 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree angles. It takes about 10 minutes for 0 degree angle and about 10 minutes for 90 degree angle. As the length of the video increases, the video becomes boring. So we will learn the values of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree in my next video. I will upload third part of this video after 3 days. Wait till then. And now enjoy the animation of my upcoming videos.